How to clean an Xbox E360. This is my sister's. It's time for a good cleaning. These are the tools that I use. Some paper towels, butter knife, a little pick, and I believe it's going to be a T20, which should be this one right here. Get my phone to focus. Okay, so my phone's not going to focus today. Got the little screwdriver here. Take your first thing you want to do is to take your butter knife, come down in here like this. There's a little ridge right here. Pop this plate up. Or since that wants to come off on the side, you pull that off first. What if you pull this little 360 tab up right here, like so. I'll just take it and give it a good wiggle. It pops off like so. Throw it on here and head on here. Set that right there. We'll take this. This should be easy to fairly pop out. Just push that out. Now, if you guys are worried about your warranty, I recommend not do this, because by all means, this isn't no computer shop. So if you want your stuff done professionally, take it to a shop. Got this side off. Wi-Fi adapter. Let's take it back to this side. There's a little tab that we got to pull right here. Kind of just push it in and lift up. Then we can get down in here. Hopefully we can pop this up without tools, like so. And then you've got some tabs back here. Set my phone down. Sorry guys, you guys are gonna have to be set down. So I can try to get this. Try to keep it to where you guys can see. Okay, there's where the sticker was. There's gonna be a pressure point here. There's gonna be a pressure point here. There's gonna be a pressure point here. The best way that I've seen to do it is take your finger, push down right here, and while you're push down right here, you're gonna take your fingers and kind of like in a triangular motion to keep pressure toward it. So while I'm doing that, we're just gonna push down all the way. If it lets me. Okay, let's try this side then. Okay, so we're going to have to take my little pick right here. It's got a little bend to it. We're going to take it Let's see if we can't pop this tab. Look at all that stuff that I'm pulling out of this already. We are going to reach down in here and we're going to pull this tab. So we can wiggle this through here. I'll come back to you guys when I get this popped open. Okay, as you guys can see, it's been popped open. It has been popped open. So at this point, get that popped off. Let's take this, like so. Slide this off. Filthy. Set this over here. Now there's going to be a ribbon cable in here, so you guys got to be very, very, very careful. I'm going to take the face, slightly turn it. Don't force it. Pull it out, and there's the ribbon cable. There's a little tab right there. Pull up on it, and then you pull up on your thing. See if I can show you guys here. I'm using my phone again, so you guys just gotta bear with me. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna slide it down like such. Take your finger, this little tab right here, there's a little silver piece, there's a tab. You get up and get your nail up underneath that tab, the tab will pop up. Oh, my bad, it's this brown side over here. Pull that tab up like so. Hopefully you guys can see that. Pull the little brown tab up. And ever so lightly gentle, come to the back side here. There's a little film. Just put a light pressure on it and it'll come right out. You see the ribbon cable is still intact. She is filthy. Set this over here. Now, we set the Xbox down. There's going to be, there's a total of 5 or 6 screws. There's a screw here. That's got to be taken out. Screw here, that's got to be taken out. Screw here, taken out. Screw here, taken out. There's another one right here. And I think it's just missing 1 or 2. This Xbox has been pulled apart a couple times. Oh, don't make the same mistake that I've made. Once you get this topper casing off, there's a screw right here. Pull the chip out and set it off to the side so you don't break it. It's a USB, but it's held in there by the screw, which is a hex head, I do believe. We'll jump over here. Their little trusty screwdriver. And I believe it's this one. So, bear with me guys, I've only got one free hand. I'm recording with the other. Like such. Let's see if this one is the size. This is the size. Okay. You guys are probably wondering what size this is. This is a T10. So go to Walmart and get you a little T10. It's got like 8 little ridges on it. Okay, let's set you back up here on top of the fan. Get this party started. So, there's one. There's one. There's one. So we're going to start with this one. Go ahead and loosen that up. Take it completely out. Put that somewhere safe. Then pop this one off. Pull it straight out. Set it with the other one. Take this one. Do the exact same all the way around. There's the last one. Okay, so there was a total of 5 in there. There was a total of 5 in there. So we'll take your screwdriver, we'll set it off to the side. We'll grab this, flip this, like such. And we're going to grab this. Yes, we could take the casing off right now, but we'll go ahead and hit this. Same size. Grab that screw. Set it over here with the other ones. Reach in here and grab this slightly. Grab this and wiggle it, and that's all it is, folks. Set that off to the side. Turn your Xbox like this. Lay it flat, and just pull up. And that, guys, is how you get into your Xbox. So you can do the cleaning or maintaining of it. Guys, I really hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out a couple more of my other videos that I got posted. Thanks. I'll see you guys next time.